Hello friends, I am Ajay Mungde. I completed my graduation in 1995 in the mechanical field. After passing out, I worked as a design engineer in Pune based company. Basically it is in Bhosri. After getting the experience around 5 to 6 years, I decided to do the business. So from last 20 years, we are doing business in the field of welding automation. It means manufacturing of jigs and fixtures, then material handling systems, special purpose machines, then thermoforming dies. And from last 6 to 7 years, we are in the field of aerospace projects also. Now, I will tell about our college. It's a very great institute. It is the best institute in the Marathwada because this college have a passion to develop the students. Always they give the priority for the improvement. Actually, I did in 1995. It's a very long journey. Then I have seen a lot of changes in there. Means related to the campus, related to the labs. College adopted the changes, but they never compromise in the values and the principles. This college create learning atmosphere and created engineers, entrepreneurs, businessmen. I am one of them. When I completed in 25 years ago, till now I am in touch with the college. And a very amazing thing is that college always asks to the alumni for the new development, for getting the new ideas to improve the skills of the students. This is very amazing thing actually. So I can say this is the golden period is running now, as there are professors, teaching staff is there, HODs are there to teach you, to develop you, but also all alumni like me are also there to train you, to guide you time to time. Yes, we also help for campus interviews, for implant trainings. It's a very good thing. So I strongly recommend you and suggest you to join this college. Basically, I am here to make the to clear your confusions if it is having. So I suggest you to join this great institute for MSBD Engineering College, and I proudly feel that I am the part of this college. Once again, I thank you to all my principals till now, all HODs, all professors, all staff. Whatever I am right now, it is because of you only. Thank you much, very much. Thank you.